you've got that humidifier right there, and I've got mine right here pumping because I can't find my extension cord to show it, but that humidifier is everything too.
Oh my God, it is everything. So this is the GuruNanda. It's the Tower XL. It's a humidifier and a diffuser. And why do I like it? Because it does two things in one. One, it brings out that moisture, so my skin is kept nice and hydrated, right? But two, they're finding that because of the pandemic, people are not sleeping well. And let me tell you something, when beauty sleep is a real thing. If you don't get enough sleep, you get dark circles. Women can even develop facial hair. I mean, I'm telling you, when I was going through it, I wasn't sleeping and I noticed those dark circles right away. So this is great because you can put lavender in it, eucalyptus in it, and it just gives you a better sleep at night. So I use this all the time. And it runs for 16 hours. It has auto shut off. It also has the remote. You got the remote, right?
I do have the remote right here. And you can change the LED lights and everything.
Yeah, it has the LED lights are really cool. At night, my son doesn't like to sleep with all the lights off, so we put this on and it turns from red, green, blue. $79.99. You can get it on Amazon.